What's up, guys? It's your Ginger checking in. We're out here in beautiful Twin Falls, Idaho with some awesome friends, and we're gonna go out to jump in this awesome raft and go on a fun rafting adventure. Right, T-Man?
Yeah!
Right, Autumn?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
This is my homie Josh. You've met Josh before.
Going up Box Canyon to Vineyard Lake from the backside.
There we go. Do you think we're gonna see any animals out there?
Yeah?
Do you think so? Autumn, what do you think we're gonna see?
Fish.
Fish?
Okay, I heard a bunch of elk.
We're about 20 minutes in. We've gone 200 yards, maybe a little bit more. What do you think we've gone? 300 yards?
Yeah, I would say 2.5 miles.
This rowing business is not easy, but it's worth it. It's beautiful out here. We made it. We rode our way over. Now we're just going for a walk. Josh is a good friend, if you don't remember from past vlogs. He's a good friend from college. We did all kinds of hikes and camps and things. What?
Their dad's gonna give me a buffalo weed. Here it is.
We're going back over there.
Let's go find your seat.
I love hiking when it's a little bit of snow like this. It's like 50 degrees, so it's definitely not cold. It's just beautiful. The colors that are out. Oh, the air is just so crisp and clean and just awesome. Hey, this is cool. This your camping spot?
Yeah, we set the tent up over here and then there's a room.
Heck yeah. What do you think, Tanner? Should we come camp here with them sometime?
Yeah.
Wouldn't that be fun?
Yeah.
I think so too, man. We should do it.
Can you take a picture of this ranch?
It's a pretty cool, big old long piece of grass. Nice job. Give me your hand, Autumn.
Man, no water smells rank.
Yeah. Stinky. Good job, bud. There are definitely worse views in the world. Quite the gem. Nice job. Well, guys, this is probably the most beautiful thing we're going to see on this hike, so we thought we'd end the vlog here, huh, bud? Okay. Well, it's been a fun adventure. If you guys are new to the channel, please do subscribe. Every day is an adventure, huh, bud? See you guys next time. Bye.